Hey team, this is Brian 890. I am here with the Green Family's existing unit. We will be replacing the furnace and the air conditioning. Gets a little dark over here, but that's okay. We'll also be replacing the large bypass humidifier. We'll be reusing the current condensate pump. That current condensate pump is less than a year old. So there's a water heater right there, but we're putting a similar size unit in. We shouldn't be encountering any spatial issues here. The access info is a basement with a normal standard sized door. You will see there is a column, but once again, I don't believe that we should have any spatial issues here whatsoever. Normal size hallway, normal size door. We'll get you down here, and there's that condensate pump that once again is only a year old and will be reused. 890 out.